What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today real quick I want to share with you guys one of the product I received from BeQuiet. So BeQuiet was nice enough to send one of their budget entry-level CPU air cooler, BeQuiet Pure Rock 2, and this cooler is quiet, and also this cooler is one of their entry-level budget coolers, so the price tag is pretty good. So you can pick up this black version for $44 and the silver version you can pick up for $39. Now I opted for the black one because black cooler will go with my any color theme build, so I always just go for the black coolers. Now the reason right now is the right time for BeQuiet to release this cooler, because AMD just released two of their entry-level budget CPU for gamers. So first one we have Ryzen 3 3100 will go for $99, and also we have AMD Ryzen 3 3300X will go for $120. So right now if you pair this cooler with those CPU, you can actually build a budget gaming PC that will look good also. So I will definitely have Ryzen 3 3100 CPU and Ryzen 3 3300X CPU after May 21st, so stay tuned for a build with this cooler and one of those CPU. Alright, so today real quick I'll do a quick unboxing for you guys, and after that I'll test this cooler with my AMD Ryzen 7 2700 CPU. I'll overclock that CPU to around 4 GHz, and we'll see how this cooler handle that CPU under full load, and also we'll check the noise level and stuff. So let's not waste any more time, do a quick unboxing for you guys, show you what this cooler comes with, how this cooler looks, and after that we'll install and test this cooler. So let's open the box. Alright, so after opening the box you'll find the cooler itself, so you guys can see the cooler right here. And this cooler is beautiful guys, all black. Look at these black fins. All right, and I like the fact BeQuiet, even they make an entry level product, like doesn't matter if it's a power supply, if it's a cooler, they never make the product look cheap. As you guys can see, the cooler, it doesn't look like a $44 cooler. Like if you buy any other brand cheap cooler, that cooler will look cheap, but this cooler doesn't look cheap. Look at the top plate right here. You know, the heat pipes have caps on it, and then you have the BeQuiet logo right here. And also you guys can see this cooler comes with 4 copper heat pipes. These are 6mm, and these are also coated black, so it doesn't look off. You know, overall the build quality of this cooler, not so bad. Alright, also this cooler does come with pre-applied thermal paste. So if you open this cover, and you guys can see, okay, so we don't have to worry about thermal paste. Alright, let's see what else this cooler comes with. We have the fan here. So we have here BeQuiet Pure Wing 2 fan. The max fan speed is under full load 1500 RPM, and also here is the front of the fan. All right, let's see what else we have. All right, so we also have installation guide. All right, so you guys don't have to worry about the installation. You can easily follow this guide, and if you have an Intel CPU or AMD CPU, really simple guys, you can just follow step by step. All right, simple as that. And what else we have? We have a brown box. So you guys can see we have a brown box. What do we have in that brown box? Let's find out. All right, so right after we open the brown box, and we find some Ziploc bags, okay, and all right, these are for your fans, so you can install your fan. Comes with 2 of these, so if you want to install one more fan, you can. Now inside this Ziploc bags you will find the AMD installation kit and also Intel installation kit. let's jump in and install this cooler and test this cooler and show you guys how this cooler perform. And after that, I'll give you guys my thoughts. Alright guys, so we are finally done with the installation, and installation was really simple, wasn't all that hard. So you guys can see we have Be Quiet Pure Rock to install, and we'll see how this cooler perform. Alright, so here you guys can see I have Ryzen Master open, and then we have Cinebench R20 open. I didn't overclock the CPU yet. Stock clock speed, the idle temperature right now 28 Celsius, and we're running AMD Ryzen 7 2700 8-core 16-thread CPU. Stock clock speed 3.4 gigahertz. And now let's do a quick run. Now keep in mind ambient room temperature right now 24 Celsius. So you guys can see temperature is going up 46 Celsius. We are running Cinebench R20 right now, and let's hear the fan. So I'm like 4-inch away from the cooler maybe right now. Yeah. Wow. This thing is really quiet. Okay. We're still running the test. Cinebench R20. And the temperature right now 50 Celsius. Again, ambient room temperature is 24 Celsius. Alright, we are done with the test, and the temperature coming down 42 Celsius, 40 Celsius, 37, 36, 34, 33. Alright, so now let me overclock the CPU. So if you go to profile, okay, go to manual, all core, 4000. All All right, so all core 4000. Let's do 3.9 because I don't want system to crash. Yeah, let's do 3.9 gigahertz. Okay, so 3.9 gigahertz, and let's go to voltage. Okay, and raise the voltage to I think should do it. All right, so we'll apply. Okay, so we are running right now 3.9 gigahertz, and you guys can see ideal temperature is right now 29 Celsius. All right, so we're running Cinebench R20 right now. And the temperature right now 70 Celsius while running Cinebench R20. So you guys can see the microphone is really close to the cooler. Overall, this thing is quiet. All right, and let's see, still running Cinebench R20. The max temp we got 78 Celsius. Okay, not bad. 3.9 gigahertz, 8 core CPU. All right, guys, as you guys can see, Be Quiet Pure Rock 2 entry level $44 CPU air cooler performed really well. I managed to overclock my AMD Ryzen 7 2700 CPU to 3.9 gigahertz. I know I told you guys I will try 4 gigahertz, but for this testing purpose, I didn't want to try 4 gigahertz. I kind of felt like 4 gigahertz kind of too much for this cooler, and the reason I'm telling you guys, because for 4 gigahertz I have to dial 1.4 volt in order for me to achieve 4 gigahertz my Ryzen 7 2700, and if I do that, this CPU will hammer this cooler, and this cooler is not made for extreme overclocking. You have to understand, this cooler is a entry-level CPU air cooler from Be Quiet, so I don't recommend you buying this cooler and do some extreme overclocking. So I feel like Ryzen 7 2700 overclocked to 3.9 gigahertz with I believe 1.35 volt was good enough. The max temperature we got 79 Celsius with ambient room temperature is around 24 Celsius. Not too bad, guys, not too bad. Alright guys, if you guys do like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, there will be a link in the video description where you can buy this cooler. See you guys next one. Peace.